Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to our channel. Seeing that street crimes have rapidly increased over the major part of the previous decade, it's safe to say that many individuals tend to feel unsafe or unprotected. Similarly, not everyone can defend themselves even in a simple mugging. For that, companies worldwide try to come up with the best possible self-defense gadgets, which makes a normal citizen feel safer with a simple gadget up their sleeves. Let's look at 8 self-defense gadgets which will surprise you. Number 8, personal alarm siren. This remote car look-alike controller might catch you off guard with its visible cuteness until you hear it. Tiny enough to fit perfectly on a keychain and loud enough to make your presence known to a wide audience, this personal alarm siren is a big problem solver for many crimes. The alarm, when brought in action, will emit an ear-deafening and staggering 130 decibel noise that will draw attention from others up to 300 yards away. A single charge of the device's ion battery can allow the device to keep the noise running for up to 15 minutes continuously, making it quite efficient while using it. Thankfully, a double press of the small button activates the loud noise, so there's no need to worry about accidentally setting off the alarm if you press the button without intending to actually use it. Number 7, hard-knuckle tactical gloves. Now you might be wondering what these are. Are they some military-grade lethal objects, or are they something you buy off a dollar store just to look cool? There's certainly more to what meets the eye when it comes to these motorcycle-style gloves. Inside the knuckles of the gloves themselves exist plenty of reinforced bits of steel to not only protect you in incidents where you somehow fall off your bike, but they can also be used for an extra bit of advantage should you get into a violent fistfight with someone. The breathable, porous clothing makes them comfortable to wear and doesn't make your hands sweat, while the tips of the fingers allow you to easily access your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch. Number 6, Vipertech VDS 989 Stun Gun Self-Defense Weapon. Films and movies have shown us thoroughly just how effective a stun gun can be, and this specific version from Vipertech is not coming any slower than previous versions. Amazon's listing proves that just turning on the device for a mere second makes a sound loud enough to scatter away the majority of criminals or thugs. If that's not enough, the jolt it generates should be more than enough to do the good deed. Furthermore, if an assailant attempts to snatch the device from your grip, the sides of the top portion of the gadget will also provide an equally nasty jolt. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it'll last for a considerable amount of time in between charges and will have you prepared for the worst time if it ever comes. Number 5, Fast Striker FS14 Gen 2 Self-Defense Whip. This might be a favorite of many people, as this normally seems fun to use, or maybe because of some rather personal likings, but this surely is fascinating. Listen up, if whips have worked well for cinematic or theatrical protagonists over centuries, they'll be equally useful and good for you. Fast Striker's whip has a length of up to 17 inches when it's fully extended and weighs only 3 ounces. In short, you'll be able to whip it well enough without being worried about somehow hurting yourself in the process. Additionally, the included hook refers to the fact that Fast Striker can be attached to the interior of jeans or a coat for subtle hiding, making this a great option when going out for a run, cycling, or during any other outdoor activity. Number 4, ECD Self-Defense Bracelet. Now you may see some people at your school or workplace wear something similar to these, but don't mistake them for it. Those only might look good, however, these look good and at the same time can make a grown-up unconscious. This ECD self-defense bracelet proves that a gadget can be both stylish and fully functional at the same time. This eye-catching bracelet looks superbly awesome on your wrist and provides an effective path to fight against multiple forms of potential threats, including grapples, takedowns, and even armed attackers. It's available in a range of colors, including green, blue, and brown choices. For people unsure of what a survival choke bracelet is, it's worth checking out the above mentioned video link to see how effective these cool looking fancy gadgets can be for the protection of an individual. Number 3. Saber Sport and Safety Horn. Now this one you might have come across on viral YouTube prank videos, but its main purpose is to be used for personal protection. Perhaps if you prefer something that will sound equally as loud from far away, this saber horn will surely do the work for you efficiently. While it was initially intended to be used as prime protection against bears in the wild or when you're out camping, this air horn can be heard from over half a mile away. Portable enough to fit in a pocket or in the glove box of a car with ease, the obnoxious and loud noise will make sure any unwelcome characters stay twice as far away. Number 2. Amtech USA Fixed Blade Neck Knife. Now this is some top-notch item that remains consistent in preserving quality and class. With the Amtech US Fixed Blade Neck Knife around your neck, you'll know when you're prepared to defend yourself if things take a rather unfortunate turn. It comes in either black or digital green color, and it's a fairly tough stainless steel blade. The handle is specifically shaped like a grenade for a beautiful expression of style. In addition to that, you'll have different options when it comes to wearing the knife, as the accompanying nylon fiber sheath includes both a ball chain necklace and a built-in belt clip to offer its users the flexibility of choice. Number 1. Saber Pepper Spray Keychain. This is the most common gadget used by people, or at least its previous type was. This innovation brought within a coexisting idea makes this gadget 100 times more portable and easy to use while still maintaining its nasty sprinkles, which can make people beg for forgiveness at times. With its small size and a camouflaged appearance, the Saber Pepper Spray Keychain is the optimal choice for an everyday carry self-defense weapon. It withholds maximum strength pepper spray and uses an innovative design that lessens the possible occurrence of unwanted discharge and offers incredible accuracy up to 10 feet were you ever in need to use the device. Moreover, it's available in a variety of different colors, making it easy to match your spray with your existing keychain setup. Makes you feel safer after watching this video, doesn't it? So do let us know your thoughts regarding all these devices in the comments section below, while also giving us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you can catch up on more informative videos like this in the future. And with that, I'll be catching you guys later in another video. Bye now!